Alright, welcome to this section. In this section, we'll be talking about search engine optimization. Alright, in the previous section, we have learned that as a web manager, you should learn how to write search engine optimization in the website you manage, right? So right here, we say that search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. Alright, what this simply means is that search engine optimization are the little things you do in your website for the content of your website to appear at the top of search engine results page. Alright, this is very important. Take for instance, if we go to our browser right here, let's go to Google. Google is the best search engine we have in the world today. We'll type NTIC/NMC competition 2020. You can see these are website. You can see this is my website here ranking number 3 for this particular keyword. Simply means that there are some things that owners of this website has done, or the people that created this website, there are some things they've done for the content of these websites to appear at the top of search engine results page. Alright, so the little things that people do for the content of their website to appear at the top of search engine results page is what is called search engine optimization. Alright, right here we say that SEO, or search engine optimization, targets unpaid or organic traffic rather than direct or paid traffic. Alright, examples of paid traffic are the Facebook and Instagram ads, affiliate ads, then SEM and the likes. Alright, right here what this point is trying to say is that SEO targets unpaid or organic traffic. What's the meaning of unpaid or organic traffic? If we go back to our browser right here, let's assume we search for this particular keyword and we are having the result here. Let's assume we want to visit this particular website here. This is my website here. Right now, it's going to take me to my website. It's going to take anybody that visits through the search engine right here to my website, right? The kind of traffic that my website generates right here is what is called organic or unpaid traffic. Simply means that I'm not paying for the content of my website to appear at the top of their results page. All right, so basically here we said SEO targets unpaid or organic traffic rather than direct or paid traffic. Alright, so direct traffic right here is when the web users knows the URL of your website. So when they know the URL of your website, they will just go to the URL section of their browser and type in the URL of your website. If they visit your website through that method, your website will generate what is called the direct traffic. Alright, when web visitors visit your website through the URL section of their browsers, they are most likely to bookmark your website. Alright, so when they revisit using the bookmark or by typing the URL of your website at the URL section of their browser, your website generates what is called the direct traffic. Alright, why the paid traffic here are traffic that your website gets as a result of you paying to get visitors to your website. You can run Instagram and Facebook ads where you tell Facebook that you want to have more visitors to your website. Alright, in that case here, you find out that you're going to pay for that particular traffic. You can also pay other affiliates. You can pay them to have more visitors to your website. Alright, this kind of traffic is what is called the paid traffic. And there's also another aspect of paid traffic is called SEM, search engine marketing. SEM is the opposite of SEO. The meaning of SEM right here is, take for instance, we go to Google, right? Then we'll search for the word web hosting. Alright, you're going to see that the first result here is mailchimp.com. You're going to see AD beside this particular URL, mailchimp.com. You scroll down, you're going to see the next one here is bluehost.com. You can see AD beside that. You can see AD beside this. What this simply means is that the owners of this website that is having AD beside their URL, they are paying Google for the content of their website to appear at the top of search engine results page. Alright, so basically here some website owners go to search engines like Google to pay in order for the content of their website to appear at the top of their search engine result page. But right here, we're not talking about SEM. We're not talking about Instagram and Facebook ads. We're not talking about affiliate ads. We're not talking about direct traffic. We are talking about organic or unpaid traffic. How we can get unpaid or organic traffic to our website? This is the process of you doing some things in your website to appear at the top of search engine results page without you having to pay the search engines. Alright, you can see right here all these websites, they're not having AD. My website here is not paying Google to appear at the top of their search engine result page. This is because of search engine optimization. Alright, right here we're looking at some things we can do in our website for the content of our website to appear at the top of search engine results page. All right, move to the next slide. The next slide here says search engines. All right, we have list of search engines here. We have Google, we have Axe, we have Bing, we have Yahoo, we have AOL and the likes. All right, right here we say that a search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web searches. They search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. All right, right here we'll be focusing on Google. All right, but most of the practices to perform our search engine optimization on Google will be applicable to other search engines, talking about the Axe, the Bing and the likes. All right, so we'll be focusing on Google and the search engine optimization. All right, after that we'll talk about SEO practices. There are some practices that can increase our SEO rank. The first here is the use of use plugin. The use plugin can be used to optimize our posts and pages, can be used to add meta description, used to optimize our media files, used to add keywords and the likes. All right, we also talk about how to add robot.txt to our website, how to create strong backlinks to our website, talk about the search console, specifically Google Search Console. We'll talk about Google Analytics. We'll talk about content creation. All right, so basically here these are the things we are going to be talking about under the search engine optimization. So we are going to be looking at these practices one after the other. The first is the use of use plugin. The second is the addition of robot.txt. We talk about backlinks and the likes. All right, so in the next section right here we'll be looking at how to set up the use plugin. So see you at the next section.